Let's rank the numbers 0 through 20. Let's go. 0. Now, 0 is amazing because it's perfect balance of pure nothingness. And it is symmetrical. And for that reason, we're going to put it in B tier because there still is nothing there. Whoo, baby. Number 10. I don't think this needs any introduction at all. Number 10 is one of the greatest years of your life. And it's just, 10 out of 10. For that reason, S tier. 11. Now, 11's all right. The thing about 11 is that it's 10 plus 1. And I do appreciate how it's, two ones. But I don't know, it's not a number, still not enough for me. For that reason, we're going to put it in C tier. Number 12, a dozen baby. Now, this is a good year. 10 plus 2 has a lot going for it. And for that reason, it's going to go in A tier. 13. See, 13 has a lot of negative associations with it. And yet it is still iconic. For that reason, we're going to put it in C tier. 14 is all right. I mean, like, I don't even think of anything when I think of 14. And just for the lack of knowing what happens at the age of 14 and the fact that I wasn't really conscious of that time, we're going to put it in D tier. 15, you're going, getting your license maybe here soon. So exciting times. So for that reason, we're going to put 15 in C tier. 16 is a good year. Your sweet 16, you got a lot going for you. Whole bunch going for you. For that reason, we're going to put it in A tier. Now 17, like you're not close to 18, you're not 16, like it's a non-number. I don't really care for it. F tier. Sorry guys. Sorry to those 17 lovers out there. 18, baby. Now this is a phenomenal year. You graduate high school. If you go to college, you're about to start college. You can stay up all late. You're an adult. You can make a retirement account. You can enlist in the military, vote. That's an easy S tier, baby. 18 is one of the best numbers. 19. 19 is a good year to be, but the thing it's just not symmetrical. It's an odd number. Ugh, I mean, B tier. Number 1. Now this one is easy. F tier. I'm just joking. Let's be honest. It started the number trend. It was the OG number, and for that reason, S tier. 20 is a great number. I love 20. Who doesn't love 20? I think it's 10 times 2 is the updated version of 20. For that reason, it's going to go in A tier. 2 is a good number too, it's right up there with 1, just not quite. And I think it's the definition of like a B tier number. 3. Now, 3 is actually an important number because 3 is a universal number, and like to say, everything comes in threes, and we have to appreciate that for its heritage. A tier. Number 5. 5, drive. I mean, 5 has some stuff going for it. Like, I appreciate it, how 10 divided by 2 is 5, but I don't know. It still doesn't speak to me. So for that reason, we're putting C tier. Same thing with 6. I don't even think of anything when I think of 6. Kind of a forgettable number. I kind of forgot. We're reviewing 6 right now. C tier. 7. If you love gambling, oh, you love 7. B tier. 8. 8 is cool, It has some history behind it, being how there's like the 8 ball and things like that, but still, I don't think it's enough to be an S tier, A tier, B tier. Now 9, it's 3 times 3, but it's not quite 10. It's not. I'm sorry. It's not. So for that reason, we're going to put it in C tier. And finally, the number 4. Now, number 4 has the classic math problem 2 times 2, which is the most rudimentary math problem of all time. And 4 is the answer to that. So purely for the history behind it, we're going to put it in B tier. But anyways, this is my tier list, 0 through 20. I hope you liked it.